Look who's on the channel. It's Jude.
Oh, shit. You guys thought I was dead.
Maybe he is. Say what's up, Raids. What's up, guys? Today we're at the abandoned PA Turnpike and shit. If you want to know more about this, we did a video about this road a long time ago. I'll put a little link up. It's pretty much the old highway that they quit using to build the new turnpike. So it's just been sitting here abandoned for a long time. There's a couple tunnels we'll probably go through. Scott, did you bring your tool? I gotta tighten this thing. It's rattling like a moth. Hear it?
Come on!
Nah. I don't. Yeah.
Where's it going? Super dark. This one.
This one's shorter.
Oh, it seems shorter.
Going to the first tunnel. Come on. Your blinker's on. It's cold in here. Concrete. Ooh, I'm getting cold. Freezing in there. Whew. Here comes the second tunnel. This is the tunnel we made a video about. We went in above the tunnel, walked halfway through it. This one's a lot longer than the last one. Whew. Riding a regular bike is a lot different than an e-bike. Plus I'm fat.
Door on it now though. Can't get in there. Oh no, it's open.
You gotta hold the power button in.
This is the one we walked through. Not the whole thing.
Neither did I. I don't have a light, so somebody go. I'm not going first.
We gotta stay behind everybody.
What's up, Raids?
You see all that mark right there? All the spray paint? You should look at it. It's right there.
What is it?
It looks
You
like
didn't have to be in there far at all, though. Like,
a big fucking mural. Wait, what do you got to go back now?
Oh, wow.
Are there still the assholes? Oh, no. No, it's good. No one fucked it up. A couple of small spider webs on it. How does they run that? Oh, man, where does it lead?
Oh my God.
I'm not struggling at all. I'm having a good time. This hill's gonna be real easy.
Definitely not a problem at all.
I ain't got nothing to worry about. All these guys got their e-bikes and they're all fancy and stuff. Not me, man. I rented a bike for 37 bucks. Shout out to Spokes and Skis, Altoona, PA. Go give them your business.
Spokes and Skis, shout out.
Yeah. I love you guys.
See if I can turn this around. Hey guys, we're a biking channel now. Four-wheelers are a thing of the past. You know, we decided that gas vehicles are just bad for the environment, you know, so.
Hey, does anybody want to buy a 2021 Can-Am 98000 XMR? Hit me up.
Hit them up. Hit them up, hit them up. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh. Jesus, Murphy. We're now running back through the long tunnel. We're going back through the longer tunnel. I guess, yeah.
yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you hit him with an outro.
That was a good time. Thanks for tuning into the video, and we will see you on the next one. Goodbye.